we are just kind of cruising around. I gotta run to the post office and gotta run to AutoZone, so I figured might as well record a video. So as you can see on the dash, we are now at about 1850 for the mileage, and the car grew on me, I can't lie. This, like, I'm very happy I went and traded this in for the Supra. I still think the Supra did handle a little better, but I'm very happy with this car. And I also ordered, I don't even know if I should tell you guys. I don't know if I should tell you guys. I did order something. It was quite expensive. It will make the car a lot quicker. I think I might just wait. But I also did pick up some wheels a couple days ago, and I just ordered the tires and the lug nuts like 2 hours ago. So those will get put on, I'm assuming, what, today's Tuesday, I'm guessing either I'm thinking Thursday I'll be able to mount the wheels and tires, and I think we'll go out to Mexico on like Friday, Saturday. So I'll get a video with those on. But the big thing that I ordered, I'm not gonna tell you guys, but that should be roughly like another 2 weeks. I'm super excited. I'm super excited for that, I can't lie. And for this thing being stock too, I took this out to Mexico a couple times, and just for like the weight reduction, E30, carbon trapped elite, I mean, this thing honestly kind of moves out. Like, it's not like crazy fast or nothing. Honestly, if I got like just a tune, it would definitely wake it up a lot more, obviously. But I think it would close the gap on a lot of the runs. But there's no point me getting NA tune, I guess I should say. There's no point for that. That'd be a waste of money. But you guys will see why in a couple weeks. Hopefully, like, I don't really know. I'm hoping, like, honestly, like another 2 more weeks, like by the end of next week, you know. But I'm not too sure. But I'm excited too to get the exhaust cut and make it a lot louder, because it's too quiet, man. This thing is way too quiet. It needs to be woken up a little bit. I do know we are doing the cat delete, and then it will get dumped, so it'll be a lot louder in like 2 weeks. And this is low-key a lot of traffic. I think too, I really need to get PPF on this car. I really need to get PPF at least at the minimum on the front of the car. I already got like 2 or 3 rock chips, which is like a little annoying, but I mean, it's Texas, so I mean, what do you expect, you know? The Texas roads are they're filled with like a lot of debris. So, but yeah, I want to do PPF, get the dealer badge taken off the trunk, and I'm thinking low-key get the roof wrapped black and a carbon ceramic applied to the car, which my buddy has a guy that can do like all that for me, so I'm looking to get all that done as well, which I low-key should have like got all that stuff first, you know, like the PPF and stuff, but I just went straight to getting the kit for the car. I want to tell y'all so bad, but like, I'm just gonna wait, and you'll see when it comes in. But drop in the comments what you think we are doing to this car. And not too many people know. I think like just like a handful of people know what I got. I've been trying to keep it a surprise until like it's actually on the car, you know. Yeah, hella traffic because they're doing some damn construction right up here. But we got our first stop right up here. Hit up the post office. I just need to pick up my mail. I just moved, so I don't have a mailbox yet. I should have a key though in like, I think 2 weeks. Low key, they said like 5 weeks. That's like kind of tax. just waiting on a mailbox. Guys, 5 weeks, gotta go to the post office. Man, it's low-key kind of busy right now. It's like 3 o'clock with these people. What these people doing not at work. Just park away from everybody. Alright, I'm gonna go get this mail. Alright, secured the mail. Dude, we were in there for like almost half an hour, I think. Bro, that was crazy, yo. They took forever. And of course, they have the please ring once bullshit on there. So I wait like 10 minutes, I rang that shit a second time. Not really over here, that's crazy though. I low-key left like perfect time. That shit's further back than when I was going through it, I think. Little Type R. I'm debating too, I don't know, I kind of want to get a Kirky, 2 of them, so my girlfriend at least has somewhere to sit. But I don't know if I want to sacrifice all my comfort, like, because I know like I could put a pillow down, I could put a blanket down, like obviously it's not going to be the same. And I know I'd have to get like lifters, like at least like probably 2 inches, I'd say. I just don't know if it's worth it, man, to sacrifice all of my comfort. Because like pretty much here, if you're going to a meet, like you're guaranteed to drive at minimum 30 minutes. Everywhere is at least 30 minutes away. At like a minimum too, that's the crazy thing. Like some meets, we're driving like 45 minutes, almost like an hour. And then especially, you know, if you're going to like Austin, San Antonio, Dallas, you know, you're driving a couple hours. I just don't know if it's worth it to get the Kirky, to save like, you know, not like a crazy amount of weight, you know? Like it's good weight savings, but like, is it really worth it, you know? Although, do these seats, I wonder how much these seats even weigh, because like, there's no electronics, because I have the premium might, but I have the base, so I don't know. But like everything, like it's all just levers, like it's not electronics, so I feel like they're not that heavy. Maybe if I had the premium they would be a little more heavy, because I'm sure in the premium you have, you know, electric seats. I'm gonna look that up when I get home, how much these damn seats weigh. So if it's like 20-pound weight savings, I don't really see that. Holy shit. I'm just gonna park away from everybody. Actually, I was gonna park in this row right here, but this is fine. All right, let me drop off this used oil. All right. is hella traffic out right now. But I'm getting pretty close to the house, so I'm gonna cut the video here. Make sure you guys all like, drop a sub, all that good shit, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.